How to add a static image in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add the static image. Next, go to the media pool, which is usually located at the bottom left of the screen. Here, import the image file you want to use by right-clicking inside the media pool and selecting Import Media. Browse to the image location on your computer and select it. After importing, drag the image from the media pool directly onto the timeline where you want it to appear in your video. Once the image is on the timeline, you can adjust its duration by dragging the edges of the clip left or right to make it shorter or longer depending on how long you want the image to stay visible. If you want to position or resize the image, select the image clip on the timeline. Then, go to the inspector panel on the top right. In the inspector, you can adjust the zoom, position, rotation, and other properties of the image to fit your video perfectly. You can also add simple effects or transition to the image clip if you want it to fade in or out smoothly. Once everything is set, you can lock the track to protect your edits from accidental changes while you continue working on other parts of your project. Finally, review your timeline and make sure the static image appears exactly as you want it in your project. And that's it. Now you know how to add a static image in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.